Hello students, we are in the chapter triangles and in exercise 6.6. Let us begin with question number 11. Let us read the question. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD perpendicular BC and EF perpendicular AC, we have to prove that triangle ABD similar to ECF. So let us start, students. Now here it is given in triangle ABC, these two sides are equal. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Students, you can see that in this triangle, these two sides are equal. So in this is isosceles triangle, so opposite angles are equal. Is that, student? So we can write this angle is equal to this angle. Its opposite angle is this. Its opposite angle is this. So let us write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is from the given part we have written. Now let us take this triangle, triangle ABD and triangle ECF. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, we have to make them similar. Now question is how we can prove they are similar. So we shall search for two pair of angles which are equal. Alright, now which is the triangle ABD. Student, you can see that this angle is equal to in triangle ECF. ECF, these angles are equal. Why? Each angle is 90 degrees. So let us note down one pair we have already got. We have angle ADB is equal to which angle? We shall write angle EFC. What is the reason? As you have said, it is each equal to 90 degree. Okay. In triangle ABD, this angle is 90 degree, and in triangle ECF, this angle is 90 degree. Now we need one more. What is that? Already we have proved. You can check. Now students, you can see that this angle lies in triangle ABD. It is equal to this angle which lies in triangle ECF. So let us write these two angles are equal in these two triangles. So we shall write angle ABD. This angle is equal to this angle. For this triangle, this angle will be angle ECF. Angle ECF. What is the reason? Since we have already proved angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Already proved. So in these two triangles, we have proved that two pair of angles are equal. So the triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Alright, students, if there is a confusion, let us draw the triangles separately. Let us draw two right angle triangles. Okay, this is for better understanding. Triangle ABD. Angle D is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Then angle ECF. Angle F is 90 degree. So let us note down which angles are equal. Here, this angle is equal to this angle 90 degree. Again, angle ABC. So angle B is equal to angle ACB. Angle C. Okay, so you can see they are similar by which criteria? Angle similarity. Now let us write the reason. By angle similarity criteria. Alright, now students, we have taken question number 12. Let us read the question. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ, QR and the median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here the two triangles are given. Okay, here you see what is AD. It is given that AD is a median. That means these two sides are equal. And in this triangle, what is PM? It is given PM, median PM. That means these two sides are also equal. We know that median divides this side into two equal parts. Median divides into two equal parts. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. Now how we shall proceed? Let us see. Now here what is given? From there let us start. Here it is given three ratios are equal. What is that? AB, BC, and what is that? Median, AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to, means ratios are equal, of side PQ, QR, and median PM of triangle PQR. This thing is given. Okay, now from here what can we write? Let us see. This gives us AB by PQ. Let us take half on both numerator and denominator. Now what is the reason? Now you will understand here why we have taken this half. AB by PQ. Now student, can you say what is the half of BC? Either we can write BD or DC, but we should write BD. After writing BD, here you see half of QR. Half of QR is QM, is equal to AD by PM. Okay, now you see. Please concentrate here. In this triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we have proved that AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM, AD by PM. So what we are getting, these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity criteria. That's why we have taken half to get this BD and QM here. Alright students? So therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SSS similarity criteria. Alright, now if these two triangles are similar, can you write these two angles are also equal? Because if the triangles are similar, corresponding angles are also equal. Its corresponding angle is this one. Therefore, we can write angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. Alright students, now students, we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. How will we prove? Let us see. In these two triangles, AB by PQ given is equal to BC by QR. Then we have already proved angle B equal to angle Q. So by side, angle side, they are similar. So let us write it here. Now students, let us write in these two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now let us draw these two figures here, these two triangles. Let us draw here. The triangles are ABC and PQR. These are the rough diagram PQR. Here, what can we write? It is already given AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. This BC by QR. BC by QR. You see, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. After that, we have already proved these two angles are equal. And angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Why? The reason is that since already we have proved angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. Alright, so we can write these two triangles are similar by the criteria side, angle, side. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Reason is by SAS similarity criteria. So let's